Hello everyone, today we're going to start chapter 4th, quadratic equations. So what are quadratic equations? Equations with degree 2 are quadratic equations. For example, x square plus 2, 6x square plus 6y minus 8 equals to 0. The highest power is 2, that is the degree is 2. So they are quadratic equations. Therefore, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a naught equals to 0. Exercise 4.1. First question, check whether the following are quadratic equations. First part is x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 into x minus 3. If after solving this equation, we will get an equation with degree 2, then the equation is quadratic. Now, x plus 1 whole square equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. 2 into x minus 2 into 3 equals to 6. X plus 1 whole square equals to x square plus 2x plus 1, because a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is x, b equals to 1. So a square, that is x square, plus 2 as it is. A is x and b equals to 1 plus b square. B is 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1. So x plus 1 whole square equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now taking plus 2x minus 6 to the left hand side, we will get x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2 becomes minus 2x and minus 6 becomes plus 6 when we take the whole to the left hand side. Now x square as it is plus 2x minus 2x, that is 0x, plus 1 plus 6 becomes 7. 1 plus 6, 7 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation because this is the equation of degree 2. X square plus 7 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Second part, x square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Now x square minus 2x as it is. Minus 2 into 3 equals to minus 6. Minus 2 into minus x equals to plus 2x. Minus minus plus 2 into x. Now taking all these to the left hand side, it will become plus 6 and minus 2x. Right hand side becomes 0. X square as it is. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4 plus 6 equals to 0. This equation is equation with degree 2, so it's a quadratic equation. Third part, x minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now multiply x with x plus 1, minus 2 with x plus 1 on the right hand side, this x with x plus 3 and minus 1 with x plus 3. Again multiply this x with x plus 1, it will become x square plus x. Minus 2 with x plus 1, it will become minus 2x minus 2, because minus plus will become minus. Here x after multiplying with x plus 3 becomes x square plus 3x, and minus 1 after multiplying with x plus 3 becomes minus x minus 3. Now plus x minus 2x becomes minus x, plus 3x minus x will become plus 2x, because plus minus is minus, so plus 3 minus 1 becomes plus 2 and plus 1 minus 2 will become minus x. Then taking the whole to the left hand side, it will become minus x square minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. X square minus x square cancel out each other, that is 0. Minus x minus 2x becomes minus 3x. Minus 2 plus 3 becomes plus 1 equals to 0. That is minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. This is a linear equation because the highest power of x is 1. So it's not a quadratic equation. Not a quadratic equation. Similarly, in the fourth part, multiply the x with 2x plus 1, then minus 3 with 2x plus 1, and in the right hand side, the x with x, then x with 5. So we will get x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equals to x square plus 5x. Here again multiply this x with 2x, then with 1. So we will get 2x square plus x. Then minus 3 with 2x, then with 1. So minus 3 into 2x becomes minus 6x. Minus 3 into 1 becomes minus 3. And take right hand side to the left hand side. It will become minus x square and minus 5x equals to 0. 2x square minus x becomes x square because plus minus is minus. So 2 minus 1 becomes 1. Plus x minus 6x becomes minus 5x. Minus 5x becomes minus 10x and minus 3 as it is. So this is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2, that is the degree is 2. Again, fifth part, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals to x plus 1 into x minus 1. Here multiply 2x with x minus 3 and minus 1 with x minus 3. So we will get this in the right hand side, x with the x minus 1 and 5 with the x minus 1. So we will have this equation. Now 2x into x equals to 2x square. 2x into minus 3 equals to minus 6x. Minus 1 into x equals to minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3 equals to plus 3 because minus minus becomes plus. In the right hand side, x into x becomes x square. X into minus 1 becomes minus x. Plus 5 into x plus 5x plus 5 into minus 1 equals to minus 5. After simplification, after taking right hand side to the left hand side and after cancelling out the terms, we will get x square minus 11x plus 8 equals to 0. That is, this is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. Sixth part, x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 whole square. After applying the formula of a minus b whole square in the right hand side, we will have x square minus 4x plus 4. After taking all these terms to the left hand side, we will have 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Since this is an equation with degree 1, so it's not a quadratic equation, it's a linear equation. Seventh part, x plus 2 whole cube equals to 2x into x square minus 1. In the left hand side, apply the formula of a plus b whole cube and in the right hand side, open the bracket. So we will have this one. In the left hand side, apply the formula of a plus b whole cube and in the right hand side, open the brackets. So after that, we will get x cube as it is. 2 cube equals to 8. 3 into 2, 6. X square as it is. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. X as it is. And 2 as it is. X into x square equals to x cube. 2x into 1 equals to 2x. Taking the right hand side terms to the left hand side, we will get x cube minus 2x cube equals to minus x cube. After solving, plus 6x square 14x plus 8 equals to 0. Since this equation has a highest power 3, so it's a cubic equation and not a quadratic equation. Eighth part, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 whole cube. In the right hand side, apply the formula of a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we will have x cube minus 2 cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x into 2 square. So left hand side remain as it is and after solving right hand side we will get x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. Now taking the right hand side terms to the left hand side, it will becomes plus x cube becomes minus x cube, minus 8 becomes plus 8, minus 6x square becomes plus 6x, plus 12 will become minus 12. Right hand side will become 0. After taking all these terms to the left hand side, we will have this equation. Here x cube minus x cube becomes 0x cube, minus 4x square plus 6x square becomes plus 2x because minus plus is minus. So after subtracting these two, we will have 2x square. Minus x minus 12 becomes minus 13 because minus minus is plus. Plus 1 plus 8 becomes plus 9. So we will have 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equals to 0. So it's a quadratic equation. Second question, represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. First part is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. It's given that area of rectangular plot is 528. Let length be L and breadth be B. So area, we know that area is L into B, length into breadth. It's given that L into B equals to 528. Also it's given that length is, that is L, length is one more than means 1 plus 1 more than twice its breadth, twice of the B. So this is our second equation. First one is LB equals to 528. Second one is L equals to 1 plus 2B. To find a quadratic equation, we need to put the second equation in the first one. So we will have L into B becomes 1 plus 2B into B equals to 528. Here 1 into B becomes B plus 2B into B, that is B into B square, 528 as it is. After taking right hand side to the left, we will have 2b square plus b minus 528 equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation where b is a breadth. So after solving this equation, we will get b, and after putting the value of b in the second one, we will get the value of L. So this is our quadratic equation where b is a breadth and L is a length. Second part, the product of two consecutive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Now, what are the consecutive integers? Integers that follow each other in a sequence are consecutive integers. For example, x plus 1, x plus 2 up to so on, that is 4, 5, 6. These numbers are the consecutive numbers that follow each other. 5 follows 4, 6 follows 5 and up to so on. So let x and x plus 1 be two consecutive integers. So their product will be equals to 306. After multiplying x with x, we will have x square. X with 1, we will have x. So x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0 is our quadratic equation. But Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Rohan's age be x. Now it's given that his mother's age is 26 years older than him. So his mother's age is 26 plus x. If present age of Rohan is x, then after 3 years his age will become x plus 3, and his mother's age after 3 years will become 26 plus x plus 3, that is 29 plus x. Now it's given that product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So x plus 3 into 29 plus x equals to 360. After solving this equation, we will get x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. So the given quadratic equation is x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0, where x is the Rohan's age. Fourth part, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Let speed be x km per hour and time taken be t hours to cover a distance of 480 km. Since we know that time is equals to distance upon speed, so we will have t equals to 480 upon x. This is our first equation. Now, when speed is 8 km less, it will take 3 hours more to cover a same distance, that is 480 km. So in the second case, speed is x minus 8 km per hour, time is t plus 3 hour, and the distance is 480 km. Since distance equals to speed into time, so we will have distance 480, speed x minus 8, time t plus 3. This is our second equation. Now substituting this value of t in the second one, that is substituting first equation in the second one, we will have 480 equals to x minus 8 into 480 upon x plus 3. After taking LCM and after cross multiplication, we will have x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. This is our required quadratic equation where x is the speed.